We're having a full meal tonight. I have some chicken thighs here, some soy sauce, salt, tiny bit of fish sauce, hot honey, white pepper, a little bit of hoisin sauce. Lastly, grating in this large garlic. This looks great. We're just gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes. Some avocado oil. I'm just gonna bake this now at 350 for about 20 minutes. Some oil. I got some broccolini. I have some butter, some hondashi, and a little bit of soup stock. This is the plate we're gonna be using today, super gorgeous. This is awesome right there. This looks so good. This is just potato I cooked in avocado oil and salt. Lastly, I have this cabbage Caesar salad. It is incredible. Beautiful. Cheers, guys. It's really juicy. I could have let it marinate more though. Allison.